In the last Worldcoin or WLD price prediction, I gave you a few scenarios that we touched beautifully. First of all, we were right here. It was the 4th of September. It was before I went on vacation. We shorted from here, beautiful short to the 8-7 area, and I said when we go here, we long because there's a bunch of liquidation. We wig the liquidations and instantly pump to VWAP up. So the question is, what is going to happen now? What kind of scenarios do we have, especially at this time? And I want to make sure I have a little bit better understanding of what's going on here. So have that saved up. I want to make sure both are at 100% opacity, so let's do that. Okay. So a few scenarios that I'm looking for right now. The first thing is, by the way, this video is no financial advice. If you want to follow my meme coin trades, we're at 274 grand right now. It's 216 the last videos before the vacation. Follow the links in the description down below to sign up for my signals chat. The meme coin trades are exclusively for there. This is my bread and butter. We've done a lot of trades today, as you can see here. Some good profits. So the first thing we want to know is where the liquidations, and also in the link in the description down below, I'll have links for Weex. Weex are currently giving away 20% on top of whatever you deposit. So it's definitely a very good deal if when you're trading futures. It's a user reward, plus you can get a 10 to 100 bucks coupon. Definitely check out the link in the description down below for that. So on WLD right now, the liquidations that we have are, we just wigged a few liquidations here. We also have liquidations at the 627 area, so we want to mark that out. 627, which is shorts being wrecked. 627, that's exactly right here. So all of these basically levels, a lot of shorts have stop losses here, here, and here. If we wick to here, we'll just liquidate all of them. So here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking we slowly pump to here, and from there we take a short to the downside. We are in a confirmed downtrend, especially on the shorter time frame. Let's look at a longer time frame. Yes, it's not looking too good for the actual price, just not looking that good. It has been just grim. The way this is just, yeah, it's not what you want to see. So we're looking into trading short, and we're gonna short any pumps that we have. So if I'm going to scalp a few longs on the way up, that might happen, but the main idea would be to go short on these levels right here. Love you with all my heart. Let me know if you have more thoughts or questions on W.